Turns out YouTube is full of fakes. Be careful.
Lies, lies, and more lies. Everything this small man says, posts, or rants on about is a lie. Look at this image of him taken from a recent video he posted. Now look at this photo he posted 2 days ago. A filter has fixed his genetically deformed teeth. Sadly, you can't even trust a picture of him posted by the boy himself.
That's the standard that I have in my life. And it transitions into nearly every activity of my life and every action, every hobby, including this beautiful masterpiece, this beautiful creation that I constructed together.